Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. Let's update our view on the Bitcoin market. So in recent few sessions, Bitcoin take the second stage, because we've got really strong rally on the gold market, statement from Jerome Powell, and all this stuff around the Bitcoin ETFs, inflows, outflows, some news, well, was moved on some backseat. So because currently there's two major topics that markets are watching for. First of all is coming halving in April, and second, adoption of the ETF on Ethereum. So these two major topics. But around the Ethereum, it is not everything clear. You probably know that the government in the United States have started the investigation on Ethereum, and well, we will talk about this in our monthly report on cryptocurrencies. So usually prepared every month. So currently, we could say the only thing that with the recent market, the recent pattern that we discussed on Thursday, it seems that that's working. So the first attempt, as you remember, was not successful, or better to say, not even not successful, but here market actually hasn't formed the pattern that we prefer to see. But this time it seems that, well, at least currently we have a bit more chances and the situation looks better. So maybe we indeed will get our targets in place. So this will be probably, well, if everything goes as it's going right now, everything should be okay. So just to remind you, on a daily chart, we've got great looking bullish engulfing right around the confluence and daily oversold at the moment when it has been formed. And as usually happens, we said that we should now count on some ABCD pattern to the upside. It's just because how engulfing patterns work. Usually it shows minor pullback back in the body of the pattern, and then extension is forming. This is typical performance of the engulfing patterns on the longer time frames. Now you can see that retracement is done and market starts upward action. So everything goes just perfect. On the 4-hour time frame chart, the shape of the hand shoulders pattern that we discussed looks nice. So market start working with it. Now it stands around the neckline. So come back to the neckline, and here we have to watch for upward breakout. Those of you who have taken position here, that's great. You could move stops to the break even and see what will happen. We have two targets. First one is 69.70. 161 extension of this hand shoulders is 74.35 approximately. Stands right there. These two targets that you could follow if you have the long position. If you do not have the long position but you would like to take it, you could take a look at the hourly chart. Since market stands at some resistance, it's probably fib level also from this old hour direction here. You can see right from the top. Also, this is the neckline. Potentially, theoretically, we could get some minor pullback. At the same time, we do not want to see deep drop here, and we do not want to see this type of action. It should not be fast. It should be small and gradual. That should keep shape of the hand shoulders valid. Any strong downside action here will be a really worrying factor. It's just because when the bulls starting to control the market, and we suggest that this is reversal as a bullish pattern, so it should not show strong bearish action. If it happens, it means that this reliability of this pattern is under question. So it could fail. It should not happen normally. So that's why on the hourly chart, as I said, market stands near neckline and some fib resistance level. We also have here the shape of the right arm in a way of the ABCD performance. We have now got this triple to sell. ABCD OP target has been completed, and we're standing in the retracement. With this retracement, there are two acceptable levels. First one is right there, 66.50, and the confluence area around 65.60, 65.80. So these two levels might be considered. Drop lower to the 64.30, it will be too much. In this case, the chances on the failure on the hand shoulder significantly will increase. So if you plan to take the position, it will be better to consider these two levels. So for those, of course, who do not have yet the position, and then see what will happen. So normally, if it starts working, market has to reach at least this level. We're not speaking about this one. It's more extended. As you know, the minimum target, normal target is the AB equals CD, approximately around 70. If we see deeper retracement and market start dropping below this lows, especially this one, breaking 618 level, it will be bad sign. So it will be not normal for a hand shorters pattern. So that's why when you will take the position initially, you could place stop, for example, either below the C point if you could, but at least below the 618 level. Although final failure of the hand shoulders comes when the market drop below the lows of the right arm, but this is already will be final absolute failure. We are trying to minimize the potential loss, and as I said, if even breaking this 618 level to the downside and too deep retracement, especially if we go with acceleration, something of this kind, it already will be a sign that tell you the 80% probability that hand shoulders will fail. So that in two words what we have on the Bitcoin market. Let's keep watching.